Hi, this is Majinoni, and as you can see, this is Tiger and Bunny, the beginning, Blu-ray box set movie, and I am really, really happy to get this. You don't understand the journey that happened with this DVD. Tried to buy it through Amazon, and Amazon was not very pleasant. I had to go through a reseller, and that reseller really came through for me, because this thing, I was afraid I was never going to get it. And just because, like I said, Amazon sold out. And they were talking, well, maybe we'll get it in a month or so. Anyways, this is what this comes with. Tiger and Bunny, for those of you who do not know, is the best superhero animated movie from or TV series from Japan. Hands down. There's the back. Now, this movie will eventually come out in the States, but the thing that's really important here is, oops, supposedly, based on the information that I read, this is region free, and it is English subtitled, and this thing doesn't say anything to support anything other than that it's 215 minutes, HD 5.1 channel, 93 minute plus something 31 minutes, so it's probably like a special. I don't know. We'll see. We get a booklet for the beginning. I've not looked at this yet, so if I pause, I apologize. Now, from my understanding, this is like kind of like a rehash of the TV series and some extra stuff. I'll watch this and I'll post a review. Now, one thing oh, sweet. This comes with an animation cells from the actual movie. This looks... Let me see what it is. You know what? I'm not going to open it. It does... It almost looks like Wild Tiger, but I don't know. I'll have to watch the show and find out. If you're a comic fan and you have not watched this, just do yourself a favor and seriously watch this. This is what Youngblood tried to do and failed. All I have to say is watch it now, and then get on it before it becomes popular. That way you can buy your toys when you can, because these toys are hard to find and are already they're already selling out. At least the important ones. The Rising, Autumn 2013. Now, I really do hope this thing is English subbed, because like I said, I couldn't see it. I'm looking for any clue. See, and there's some of the toys there. The toys, those figures are amazing. family club membership thing, which I can never take part of. Okay, we get a special CD. Let me take off the CD so you can see the artwork here. Special features. And the beginning. And it looks like there's like commercials, videos, Weekly Hero Countdown. There's like a world premiere thing. I don't know. I mean, I guess if that was subtitled, that'd be great. But I have a feeling most of that stuff won't be. Anyways, do you have any? Oh, there's more. Anyways, if you have any comments or questions, let me know. Rate the video up or down. Let me know what you think. I'm gonna, like I said, I'll do a review of the movie as soon as I can, but I'm not gonna be able to watch it this weekend. So I'll watch it as soon as I can. But just understand that this is a priority for me, so I will be watching it soon. And I'll have more reviews later. So, oh, like the Facebook link, almost forgot. And also there's the Crunchyroll link where I do the anime reviews. So, until next time.